to another video. Today's video, we're going to be, well, baling some hay. As you can see, I've already gotten back from getting the hay raked up, but now I'm going to go ahead and put this windrower away. Along with this 3010 as soon as possible, but we do need to get the Hydro 186C out. We're going to use that to bale hay. Then already see, we have that baler. It's not a tandem, which I did really want a tandem. What about this? Which is something I didn't tell you guys. But it's not too much. Not the worst thing in the world. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and hook up to the baler. Oh, the bale loader. Hay wagon. It's hay wagon. Why am I so confused right there? Okay. Unfold it. Gonna unfold. There we go. Oh, yeah, there. Okay, now we can unfold it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start baling. Baler's on. We've already gotten quite a bit. Off video, I harvested some beans. I don't know if I filmed a video on it. I don't really know, because if I did, then if I think I did, then I know what happened. It wasn't a video I just forgot to record if I didn't record myself harvesting beans. I do have to say that we have a lot of bales already. Oh, there goes that sign. I also got my mailbox fixed, and now it's not sitting down. I'm happy about. Didn't cost me that much money either. Whoa, what was that? I don't know why that happens, but it's not that bad. Look down at the bottom right corner. It says that we have 24 square bales on the rack. Now 25. And if you do want to keep count of that, it's right down there. We don't have much to bale, but I hope we get over 95 bales. Of hay and this. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and get that little pass that I kinda messed up. That's a good amount of hay right there. Go! We're not going on that part yet. First I need to finish up this. There are a few passes of not dry grass, but we have mostly hay right now. Now, I'm going to say that the baler is a little dirty, but we don't mind that. Okay, well, that's the rest of that part finished up. And I gotta go into the second ditch that we mowed. Okay, and let's get started on this. As you can see, we've also mowed that part, which we got up on the train tracks, which is really dangerous, but the government decided there wasn't going to be any trains today. For like in this area, they shut down the trainways because of, well, we don't talk about what's right there. I don't know what happened exactly, but those are just there now. It's 63 bales. Okay, and I'm missing a bit of hay. Well, not missing a bit, I'm missing a lot of hay. I'm gonna go back and get that. You know, it doesn't look good. I don't like that. I just want to get that little piece. There we go. They look really draining my fuel. Explode. I got sucked back up into the baler and then went back on the trailer for what? That's kind of confusing, you know? Well, we gotta make a sharp turn. And let's start bailing again. Okay, now we only have just one more tiny bit of hay to bale up.